In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best rotary tools in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which rotary tools is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Hi-Spec Rotary Power Tool. Rotary tool adaptability, for a great DIY job, precision craftwork, and also professional pastimes, tackle the Hi-Spec 160-watt 1.4A Rotary Power Tool Package. With its Dremel suitable little bit accessories device package, cut, drill, engrave, grind, polish, sand, as well as for trim across a wide variety of products, and also work items. 120-piece devices. The versatility of the Hi-Spec 160-watt 1.4A rotating power device package is due to its supplied devices little bits. Whatever the DIY repair or crafting task, there is a specialized little bit for boring, reducing, fining sand, and grinding. Simply exchange them out and take care of it at the chuck end. Speed control. The Hi-Spec 160-watt rotary power tool has an injection molded nylon body that safely houses its energetic 160-watt electric motor with a 1.9 cord for power outlet connection. Little bit device collection. Start currently on that particular task with its provided, Dremel suitable, bit accessories nicely saved in a box. Fine cutting, drilling, sanding, grinding, firming, smoothing, and brightening, grinding rocks, sanding drums, bands and discs, drill little bits, ruby wheel points, mandrels, cut-off and felt wheels, wire brushes, wrench, collets. NB. Easily transform out bits. Little bit accessories fit with the interchangeable brass collets that securely hold in the different kinds of bits at the chuck head. Select the collet that fits the shank of the bit, then just tighten together with the provided mini wrench at the securing nut. Here is the item number 4, Dremel Speed Rotary Tool. Corded Variable Rate Rotary Tool Package consists of 3,000 high-speed rotary tools, 24 genuine Dremel accessories, Dremel A576 sanding or grinding guide add-on, and accessory storage space instance. A speed range of 5,000 to 35,000 RPM with 6 variable rates, gives precise device control and maximum accessory adaptability. A slim and ergonomic body with soft grasp permits added convenience, as well as control during prolonged use. 24 functional devices included, suitable for cutting, inscribing, grinding, honing, detail polishing, and sanding. Great for a selection of do-it-yourself and crafting jobs, like steel engraving and glass etching. The Dremel 3000 is the result of updating our most prominent rotary tool utilizing user-requested features to enhance the tool's design and also functional designs. The device also includes the easy twist nose cap with an integrated wrench that allows the nose cap to be utilized as a wrench to tighten up devices and eliminates the need for a separate wrench. A lot more efficient follower layout and side vents provide a cooler running tool, making it comfy for extended durations of use. The item number 3, Dremel Rotary Tool Kit. Versatile rotary tool set, consists of 4,000 corded rotary tools, 2 add-ons, 30 premium Dremel accessories, a plastic storage case, and also an accessory instance. High-performance motor offers optimal power, as well as efficiency whatsoever speeds. Variable rate 5,000 35,000 RPM, and also electronic comments circuitry for constant performance even in one of the most demanding applications. Introduced airflow system ventilation mechanism aids prevent warm accumulation for the smoother, cooler, and also quieter procedure. Slim and also ergonomic body 360-degree grasp zone for added convenience and grip throughout expanded use. With a Dremel high-speed rotary tool, you're holding virtually a century of advancement and engineering in your hand. We're the original creators of the rotary tool, and also today, we're the leading producer of the tool that has changed do-it-yourself. The Dremel tool array gives you a wide option of rotary tools, and also devices, including the Easy Lock and Easy Drum system for fast accessory changes. You can additionally select from different rotating add-ons to carry out high-precision work with remarkable outcomes. Number 2 in our list, WEN 2305 Rotary Tool Kit. Perfect for cutting, fining sand, brightening, firming, exploration, deburring, grinding, and also more. Variable rate goes anywhere from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. Consists of an 80-piece accessory set of little bits, sanding discs, polishing pads, mandrels, and also even more. The onboard spindle lock produces fast and simple little bit modifications. 2.3 mm and 3.2 mm collets. Affix consisted of flex shaft for jobs calling for detailed information and also precision. Remember when a turning tool was just a point of desire? Sculpt, cut, grind, deburr, inscribe, form, drill, polish, and other verbs, all with the WEN Rotary Tool Kit. Equipped with over 80 accessories, this bundle provides a wide variety of little bits as well as discs to fulfill the needs of any job. Variable speed varieties from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM with adjustments at the basic turn of a handle. The lightweight development makes intricate designs simple to perform, permitting you to carve small and complex layouts into glass, plastic, wood, steel, and also more. Get rid of rust from rusty things. Trim your dog's toenails. The top one in our list, GOXAWEE Rotary Tool Kit. Quick adjustment drill chuck include 3-jaw universal chuck applying far better stability on your projects, allows you to promptly and also quickly change accessories on rotary machine tool easily. GOXAWEE multi-chuck approves accessories from 1 or 64-inch to 1 or 8 shank, broader suitable than others. 140 PCS add-on and device flexible shaft holds like a pen for your accurate jobs. Cover shield gives far better security for reducing and grinding. Pierce locator helps for accuracy deal with wood. Ruby reducing wheel is the most effective suggestion for glass, ceramic, flooring tile, etc. Functional devices include a set of extra carbon brushes, rescue you from browsing new collections, and also save cash. Variable speed and compact variable speed dial is easy to use. The variable rate adjustment knob reveals 5 action rates from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. By adjusting the rate you can make delicate inscriptions on wood, glass, metals, plastics, floor tile, and other products with control quickly. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best rotary tools amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.